this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find Please Donate in Roblox on your Android phone. So we can just go to the home screen right here, tap this, go to search in the top right, and then just type in PLS space and Please Donate should be on the top. So we can go to Please Donate right here, choose this is what it looks like, and then go to play. And then we can jump in here and then we can donate to people if we want. Then you can run up to all these different stands and you can claim them, so we can just run around and then we can just find a stand and then we can claim it. So you can see them all over here, so let's go over to here. Check this out. Apparently there's a snowman update right now. And there's me, I got a pizza, so I gotta figure out how to play this. Okay, go around, here's the stand, go up to it, and then you can claim it. So here it is. Make sure no one has this. You can put your text there and stuff. Okay, we can go over here. And then we can claim it. Okay. Hold down on here. And then boom, I claimed it. You can take time out of your day to do a tutorial if you want. So you can just claim it now if you don't want to do that. Then you got all these different edit options on here. So just go through here and look at all this stuff. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.